Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naima, and today we're gonna talk about these braids. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, I've never had a protective style before, but this is giving. This is giving. Look how cute. We're gonna talk about the who, what, when, where, why of these braids. Why did I get them done? Because I wanted to change for the new year. New year, new me, you know? That's a thing still. And you know, gotta have purple because my favorite color. And I mean, the color is just amazing. I got this hair from Amazon. It was $18. And then I had my mom put it in because she's amazing. I mean, look at this. Definitely should have been a hairstylist. I've had these in for a week now and they still look fresh. I just refreshed it this morning. But nobody told me that itchy scalp was, of course, I guess I never asked. Itchy scalp was a thing with braids, synthetic hair and all that good stuff. So what have I been doing to remedy that? Ooh, we've got a routine now. So when my scalp is so dry and itchy that I can't take it anymore, I spray just my scalp down with just regular distilled water. Then I follow up with the Pistachio Hair and Body Wonders Scalp Beverage. This has been a lifesaver. Like, it's not an oil, so it just penetrates the scalp immediately and soothes that itchiness. And then I decided today that I was gonna try out the Camille Rose Black Castor and Chibi oil. I don't typically like oils on my scalp, but today I needed a little extra help because I was not about to wash this yet. And this was very good. You do not need a lot. Like, it's literal castor oil, like the thickest oil ever. You do not need a lot, but it's so far keeping my scalp super moisturized, super hydrated, and I have no complaints. Like, I'm loving this routine. I did have to go out and purchase like a new bonnet because this is too much hair for my current bonnet. So I got these super long bonnets off of Amazon, like satin. They seem to be holding up pretty well. Of course, I guess I only had them for a week, so. But they hold all the hair in, so let me just show you that. Just wrap it like this. Shove it in. And boom. This band helps keep your edges together so they're not all crazy when you wake up. It's extra long, so it holds all the braids in there. And I just go to sleep, just like that. I do not wet my scalp every day just because I don't need to. Maybe I'll try once a week. I might have to wash it next week. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try to keep these in as long as I can. No more than a month though, because we're not about to have dry hair after this. So I think that is it about my braids. Let's take this off. They are 24 inches. And like, just beautiful. I actually wanted bigger ones. That wasn't working out, so we did like medium small. But it just looks so pretty. Just so pretty. Would I do a protective style again? Heck yeah, because I don't have to freaking wash my hair. That was getting real annoying. And I'm all about moisturized curls, but even I need a break. Like, and this is the perfect break for the start of the new year. Like, yes. What do you guys think? Do you like my braids? Have you gotten braids before? How long have you gotten them? This is as long as I'm ever gonna go. This is just, it's a little long for me. I didn't think 24 inches would be super long. Oh, and these are hot water set. So I just took some perm rods and curled the ends with that and dipped them in boiling water, and they have been staying. Some of them I need to redo, but for the most part, they're looking pretty dang good. All right, I think that's it. Just playing around. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.